your girl Heyitschrissy. For my new subscribers, welcome to my let's go again. For my new subscribers, welcome to the fam. For my OG subbies, what's good? So right now I'm sitting on the veranda. Yeah. You don't need to see, but yeah. So what am I saying? Yes, so I want to go on the road today because I want to change. I just feel so indecisive. Like I want to go, but I don't want to go. I want to go, but I don't want to go. So indecisive. Oh, this is my sister's backpack. We call this Chronix. Actually, my mom named it because Chronix is just a Jamaican reggae artist that always has a backpack wherever you see him. So we tend to carry this a lot. My mom is like, you're walking around with a bag on the back like Chronix. So she just called this Chronix. Okay, guys. So 10 minutes later, and I'm still sitting here, deliberating. What's that word? Debating. Can you believe that I'm a native English speaker? Like y'all wanna believe that, right? My tongue keeps twisting up. It's trying to do some jamming up thing. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know. So this is my hair. Like, did y'all see it in the last vlog? What do y'all think? Do you guys like it? Cause I do. Should I go on the road or should I not go on the road? I have not felt this indecisive in a very long time. I think because I'm lazy. Like I want to go, but I'm like lazy to go and get ready. I'm lazy to go and get a taxi. I'm lazy to walk around in the town. I'm lazy. I just feel lazy. That's why I'm indecisive, because I feel lazy. But initially I just know I just plan to go get some fruits. That's what I want to do. Oh guys, if you didn't notice, I'm using my favorite Snapchat filter. I really like it, so that's why my eyes kind of have this. What is it? Is it purple or blue? Alright guys, so I'm still lazy. I'm still indecisive. The story of my life. I'll take her home. I'll spend her night. Da, da, da. This makes no sense. It doesn't even go in the story of my life, definitely. So guys, Chronix is on the veranda because we decided whether or not we should clean it or throw it away. So it's sort of just hanging here because we don't want it inside. When it's inside, we're like, okay, throw it out. When we're outside, we're like, no, let's keep it. So we just left it. We're just leaving it here, like to live its best life. Right there. Yeah. Right there. Right there. Alright, let's head inside. Alright guys, so now I'm in a taxi heading into the town. So I finally got up and I'm just here heading to the town. Finally! So I'm just gonna make a few stops to the supermarket and pick up a few stuff. Y'all see me in this little corner here, you know what it is. I'm at my favorite ATM! So finally I'm in the town. Oh, you see the background. Yellow is so my color. Oh my god. So I'm gonna get some cash into the supermarket really quick. Then head back home. It's a really quick stop. Nothing much to do. A really quick stop. In the supermarket, what I came for, they don't have any cheesecake. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go to Plan B. So I'm just here looking at some in the aisle here. I'm looking at some spinach and stuff. I plan on coming to, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Some pak choy. These are so pretty. $2.89. Not bad. Oh, my sister would blow a fuse though. She'd be like, go to the market. But these are pretty. Should I buy these? I think I'm going to buy them. She's going to cost, but I don't care. They're very pretty. I might take off one. I'm going to go with it. Oh, they have lettuce as well. $400 for one head of lettuce? I'm gonna go with the package one. Oh, that's Italian. 112. That's not bad. I think I'm gonna probably get this, but not right now though, but soon. I need to go some stuff for green juice, so soon. Okay guys, so I just got 2 of these in the Chinese wholesale for $700 and something, and they have it here for $800 and something for one. So they're having a sale, so I got 2 of these. Yes. In there. Oh, this new, I didn't follow over. Yeah. So I think I'm going to try and get a cake mix or wrong oil. Wrong section. Let's go to the next section. Alright, so we're walking down the yes, here he. $468, the French vanilla. We're gonna bake some cake. I got the French vanilla. I'm going to bake it because they don't have any cheesecake, sadly. So yeah, so this is the section. Yeah, there's some cheap cake mix. So I think that's it for me for now. I only came in here for cheesecake and I'm leaving with 3 other items I did not plan. So I'm getting the okras and the pop choy and the French vanilla mix. My sister's gonna blow a fuse because I got these in the supermarket when I go to the market. Oh god, so guys, I'm now in the Chinese wholesale. I'm in the here store. So I'm just picking up a few stuff, nothing much, nothing extra. Just a few stuff. You know, I'm not actually doing grocery shopping today, just picking up 1 and 2 of our shirt in the house.
You can like spicy corned chicken.
Yeah, they use it as
waffles.
like, can I use the breadcrumbs? Use the same way. Alright guys, so I'm about to do this now. Right now. Put it in the oven. Let's get going. I'm back home, about to go and wash my uniform. Literally spent the entire day laying in bed when I should have washed it, but I'm gonna use the machine so it's gonna get spin dry. Seriously. Yeah, so my sister is making her dinner right now. She's doing some nuggets, frankfurter, and the other hand I'm boiling some sausage. Yes, I don't want the fry. I want the boil. Yeah. Our nuggets are here. Oh, they're so pretty.
Shan,
what is it?
We cake, come and cake, one cake.
We don't know. Sure. Yeah, show them how to do on YouTube. So yeah, fry.
YouTube live that?
No, not live. I record video to edit if you post it.
Ooh. Oh man, my sausage burnt.
She burn up the sausage, guys. She burn it up. Don't worry to her. You're gonna burn food. Yeah, part of the sausage them so. You gotta see for the camera. My hot dogs are over there, chillax. Behind the processor thingy. Alright guys, so let's get popping. I don't use my mixer in a while. So dusty. There we go.
Nobody know about time and patience, bread.
We're gonna use the cutting board. Let's have it on this one.
Jay, want butter on the bread?
Remember, 3 egg. Okay, so this is already cracked, guys. Don't do this at home. Crack your eggs in a container. 1, 2. Apa yang gua anu? Chi.
You want mayonnaise?
Chi egg. Then I'll test them one from the box. Half cup oil, 1 cup water. So let's get that. going.
We have good work.
Okay, let's start this.
Bad work.
Dead right now. Wait, me record on the light. Alright guys, when recording on the light it wasn't orange. Orange, yeah. I say now, why is it dark? Guys, forgive me if it was dark. I'm like, wait, but my light is not on. On, turn on. Jesus cover, which one? Yes, so here's the mixture. I'm going to go add the tin and pop it. The oven will preheat. Like, what kind of baking this? The cake now. It has yellow, red, green, blue, a whole bunch of colors. You see, if you add the red, you see something like that, I see my red I go stand. Oh, this kind of pretty fun camera. Bring a little bit of price of camera now, so look funny.
Hmm?
You bring it for me on this one. Okay. Oh, me yellow, the yellow not stand out. Look here.
Yellow mix and green.
No,
yellow, red and green.
No, is it? Oh, you do it when you just take it and dry? You put it and mix
yeah,
it.
that's why I tell us to do it. So just draw the line.
What a nice design. It's a very pretty design. Look on the camera.
So octopus.
It's like one snail one, this one, that one, tara, not. Want some more yellow? This alright, come. You know what to keep bitter? It is also. Just keep it bitter. Why not bitter? Right, I don't draw now.
You want to round the edges like yes, too much color. So mix it in right there, so.
Mix it.
The way colors strain too much. Just mix it.
This is so pretty. You can't be blue. No, it look at the yellow maybe so far. Maybe yellow stay there so. Other piece I'm gonna eat. This is very beautiful. It's in the oven. Push it like right here, so. Close the door. What do you want? She's recording for her status. Close the door. Yeah. Because I didn't upload that much last week, I'm gonna try to upload a few more videos this week. Tomorrow I think I'm going to do like a clean with me type of vlog because you know I'm gonna clean tomorrow. Clean my room, change my curtains. My sheets. What else do I plan? Oh, and I might cook tomorrow, so you might get a little mini look into what I'm cooking. Because I don't think I have much plan for tomorrow. Because I kind of want to do everything early so I can rest because I've worked the following day.
Well, now they drive. Hey, put it off.
Hold on, I'm coming. Ooh, yes, I've gained some weight. The double chin is real. So yes, and I'm planning on starting my workout actually. Like I've been procrastinating for a while. It's been a week. I'm not going past a week. Like I purposefully took out my this because I'm like yup my mat. So I'm like, you know what, girl, no, start. Because I want to join the gym, so I keep on saying, you know what, when I join the gym then I'll change my eating. I'm like, nope. It starts from here, so control the mind and the body will follow. And that's it for today. It's Sunday, so I'm gonna have my dinner, finish those 2 cakes. You might see them in the next clip, not in this clip, because they're not finished as yet, and I'm currently editing this. So edit while watching Shabby, have my dinner. Yeah. So hi guys, happy new year again, happy 2021. Let's put our best foot forward and only move with positivity. So every negativity, let's just leave that for never. Like, you don't like me, I don't like you, let's just keep going. Oh, I don't. So anybody when I like it, tell them, so yo, that's your problem, that's not my problem. I am not responsible for you not liking me. Like, Juices. So guys, just be positive, just put your best foot forward, challenge yourself. I think for this year, that's sort of an unspoken thing that well, the year just started, but I kind of have this deep down feeling that, you know what, I want to do something different. I want to challenge myself. I want to try something all the way out of my comfort zone. If it's even going to a different place or something, I just want to do something completely different. You know, I want to challenge myself. So that's kind of what I'm going to try and work towards, challenging myself a bit. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video.